Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. Subscribe to my channel. They go to the beach. They go to the beach. I like to draw. I like to draw. He enjoys playing tennis. He enjoys playing tennis. I drink coffee in the morning. I drink coffee in the morning. She is learning French. She is learning French. He fixes AC. He fixes AC. We go to the gym together. We go to the gym together. We have a nice view from our house. We have a nice view from our house. I am studying hard. I am studying hard. He likes gardening. He likes gardening. She is listening to a podcast. She is listening to a podcast. They are going on a boat ride. They are going on a boat ride. I am learning to play chess. I am learning to play chess. I am watching a documentary. I am watching a documentary. She writes in her diary. She writes in her diary. We have a barbecue on the weekend. We have a barbecue on the weekend. They are visiting a zoo. They are visiting a zoo. I am taking a break. I am taking a break. I like spicy food. I like spicy food. She enjoys playing soccer. She enjoys playing soccer.